Good morning. Today, I'm 35 weeks. Good morning everyone. So today, papunta kami sa hospital. Diyan lang sa harap lang ng bahay namin. Kasi meron akong ultrasound sa aking ikat 35 weeks. Diyan lang guys. Sa tapat. There. Laki na ng tiyan ko guys. Kasama ko si Javi. Kakagising niya lang. Wala pa siyang toothbrush. Tumayo na siya agad.
We're all gonna say things that are total bullshit. And totally upset.
I don't know. Mama ko tayo. Din. 3A.
Is it for fetal monitoring?
Yeah.
I have you here for 1:45 and before 1.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'll just wait here.
Yeah, there's blends downstairs if you want to get
Yeah,
into
sure.
something.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So guys, hindi kami nakapag-ultrasound agad kasi pala ko 12:30 yung schedule. 1:30 pala. Tapos tambay muna kami sa coffee shop. And then, balik kami ng 1 p.m. 12:30 naman ngayon. So, 30 minutes na kami tatambay. And galit mo siya kasi aga daw siya nagising. Sandwich. Nandito pala kami ngayon sa coffee shop sa first floor. Sa coffee shop muna kami kasi babalik din kami ng ulan.
Saan ito na wala?
Order kami ng tuna sandwich. Ano siya? May lettuce. Kami siya lang. Wala kay lasa. Namit siya.
Ito, ginawa.
Lens.
Outpatient.
But you're going to come back in 1 week.
Oh, baby was in breech position. Is baby still in breech? Didn't feel like breech to me.
So you're going to come back every week until the baby's born. Oh, okay. So once the baby's born, we don't see you anymore.
Oh, fixing time in for baby time, so you don't need to be all stressed out with finals and everything. What are you doing for your schooling?
CBA, dental assistant.
Oh, good for you.
Finish. These are 16.
Oh, so you just like
Yeah.
finished.
Yeah,
Oh,
finished,
good
yeah.
for you. That's exciting.
I did a practical, it was hard for me, but it's all good.
Yes,
Nothing to worry about.
absolutely. We're all